Hi, I'm Nick Jensen. I'm president of Thurston Manufacturing Company, and we make the Blu-Jet line of fertilizer applicators and conservation tillage equipment. Well, the appeal is we have a lot of strip tillers here that are just interested in learning about the practice. To 20-year guys that have been in here doing it for decades. So to come in and learn from them and learn about new ideas and where the industry is heading is obviously part of the appeal for us. The other one is to show off our products and to show them how we can help them. It's all about efficiency. You know, how can I increase my ROI? How can I increase my my yield per acre or my profit per acre? How can I reduce my cost per acre? How can I reduce my operating expenses and increase my acres per hour? That's what we're hearing a lot out in the industry right now. When we design a piece of equipment, we always try to take into account how can they use this in another way, or how can we make it more versatile so they can run it in different soil types or different conditions. You can run it in the fall or the spring, and that's kind of where we're at with our strip-till unit as well. We have a variety of different adjustment options for the grower on there that allows them to run it in several different kinds of conditions, including the fall or the spring. And we also have the ability to do something that most other strip-till companies can't do, which is switch tips on our knives and things like that. So when a grower does go into the spring and he has a issue with, say, like air pockets under the strip or something like that, he can easily solve that by changing a knife out and adjusting to the condition, as opposed to waiting for ideal conditions. We make a variety of different strip-till equipment. In fact, we catalog the most frames that are adaptable to strip-till of any competitor in the industry. That includes anything from a simple 4-row 33-point all the way up to a 24-row 3-point or a 36-row 20 machine. We do various row spacings, including 20-inch, 22, 24, 30, 36, 38, 40. Many of our strip-till machines, you can fold one of the wings up and do 2 widths, so you can match 2 sizes of planters. Those are the kinds of things I'm talking about in terms of acres per hour and operating efficiency, where we really try to give the grower the most for his money. This crowd's fantastic. We love talking to these guys. They come up, they approach your table, or they're approachable. They have great questions. They're not only about the equipment, but what we as manufacturers have seen in the industry. They're a wealth of knowledge for us too. They come to us with challenges and problems they haven't been able to solve yet, and that's just stuff we love. We live on that. You know, we love to solve a challenge and come out with a possible solution and give it to a guy and work with him on it. That's kind of what we're all about.